Previously on First Travel and Eats.
Alright, we're looking at the front of the church with a lot of artwork.
Actually, let's walk towards it. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know. We're broadcasting the news live on the wedding. How do you feel, sir? How do you feel?
I'm feeling...
As a wedding guest.
I feel a little annoyed.
After witnessing such an amazing wedding, will something in Florence top their expectations? Stay tuned in to find out.
Alright, it's the day after the wedding. Didn't record some of it, or at least most of it. We slept. Tired. Party ended at 1. Got back here at like 2. Already got to sleep at around 3. We woke up around 6 something. Yeah, we're tired. And we have to walk Florence now too. Alright, we're going down a flight of escalators, just like I recognize this like kind of thing from Hong Kong. There's like a dozen like escalators, right?
Yes, but imagine if it's a walk.
Yeah, I know, right? Huh?
There's no elevator on this side. The elevators go straight up.
Yeah. But even then, like I think we go quite a bit, even though we're it's like a couple of escalators. We go quite a bit.
Personally, I think escalators are a good thing.
Why?
Because you see, it's an open space, and like you fit more people at once around meeting.
I guess.
So go past you, stay with me, as much as how the my grandma personally doesn't like escalators or elevators. I think that lifts off the ground, but she doesn't like to go to like parties and have parties on the first floor, especially when it's like those dinner parties, the Asian ones.
Yeah.
So she would like bear her fears and take that elevator or escalator, but she always used to get so tired.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna be riding the escalators for like a good, I don't know, maybe 5 more minutes before we get to our destination. We're gonna be going another 5 minutes of escalators. Well, we can walk.
We can walk this way.
Okay, we'll walk it. Okay, yeah, I'll shut off the video. Bye. Alright, we're now inside a dinky train.
We'll say it like that. There's a different type of train. This train actually has to open the doors. They don't manually open. You can press a button and it opens itself. So technically, it's an upgraded train. The first one was because that one required manually opening and closing.
I mean, we can even see the end of the train from where we're at. Let me see if I can zoom in. There it is. But yeah, we're waiting. Now we're waiting to go back to Florence. Now we're waiting to go to Florence. But yeah. What? All right. What did you want to say?
Oh, I was like, we might have passed Florence before.
No, we did not pass Florence. We went to straight to Siena.
Maybe my plane flew by Florence. How do you know?
Alright. Pay $2 to use the bathroom. In Europe, some places in public, you gotta pay. Look.
We're going to this?
Yep, we're in Florence right now. We see some cute trains passing by. We're going to this church probably, if it's open to the public.
Well, it's ringing bells at 10:15, so I don't know what's the time.
Oh, I don't know. There's the train station. Yeah, well, it was like moving the thing. We're in this church right in front of the train station. Hopefully we don't have to pay. We'll see. All right, if you've been to Florence, you've probably seen this.
It's my first time in Florence. I've never seen this.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Basilica?
It's another basilica. I forgot which one though.
But it looks like 4 different buildings.
Yeah, it's like no, it's one building and then there's like a tower.
Sectors?
No, one building, and there's a tower. That tower that's separated. There's a lot of people,
But
but
it looks like multiple designs.
it's
Like
one
an
dial.
architecture.
No, it's one design. Trust me. I mean, do you
Might
see?
have been an add-on.
Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, lots of people. It's Florence, of course, so that's obvious. All right, we're right on the church steps. I think it looks closed. I'm not sure. Let's see if it is closed. Let's see what the sign says. Go, go, go. I'm going. Come on. Oh no. It's closed.
Yeah, it's Sunday.
Yeah.
Church day.
Rip. Alright, it does suck that the church is closed today. Shame. But at least we were able to see this. And we got to see the Rome Basilica, which is the grander one, to be honest.
The one from before?
Yeah, Rome.
Oh, okay.
That's the big one. Remember, it's the Vatican. And there's tons of people. Tons and tons of people. Look at little old me in this big old church. Actually,
There are so many buildings you can't get confused.
yeah, this is the church. But what do you call it? I'm pretty sure that's like maybe a mausoleum or whatever, like the one that's not connected. But
The museum?
I'm actually curious if how big this is compared to like the Basilica at Rome, the one in Vatican City. This is the place where they have the David of Michelangelo, that famous thing where he's putting that finger near his mouth like a weirdo.
Really?
Yeah, he's like this. Or whatever.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, and this is where it is. But we're not going to see it because we have limited time, and the crowd is probably just as much as the Vatican Museum to see the Sixtine Chapel.
Actually, the Vatican Museum might have been a little bit better.
Actually, it might be. I don't know what's so weird. Florence, I don't know. Florence is like weirdly long. All right, we're just gonna go and look at everything else. Sad. Here is wait, I forgot what it's called. I think it was San Marino something. But yeah,
San Mario.
San Mar. Yeah. And this is right next to the museum from, what was it? The David of Michelangelo, so might as well take a look over here. Alright, there's a church behind those doors. They said no photographs, so I'll respect that. Though this place, right outside the church, I'll take, because they didn't say anything about this place. Wonder what story this thing tells. Alright, more ice cream. More ice cream. More ice cream. We're over here. La Cattedrale Bar Gelateria.
Okay, I came in here specifically because they had a tiramisu gelato, and then we also got what's the other one? Oh, fondant starch.
Oh, you didn't get rice flavor? Wow, rude.
Oh, I didn't know. Should I get another one?
No, I don't want rice, okay? We eat that at home. And we're right outside the...
There was no rice flavor on display, that's why I didn't see it.
Oh, alright. Alright, we did a photo automatica. And this is how it came out. And this is the machine, which spits out coins and keeps spitting out coins because I think it's old. And it eventually goes in and you just press a button to take the picture. But it was pretty funny. Alright, we're at another landmark. There's a beautiful, what I assume to be Poseidon, I think, in front with all his dudes. There's a dude on a horse. And we're in the plaza. where there is more statues over there, and then a clock tower over there. It's a big castle, or kind of a castle. All right, here's a closer look on those statues, and we're gonna enter in this, well, it seems to be castle or whatever. And there's two statues with like the right statue being a little bit weird because that guy's uncomfortably close to this. Yeah. All right, we walk inside the thing.
Yeah, it's actually pretty nice.
All right, let me flip it around. Oh God, that's way too close. Is it too close now? Oh yeah, ceiling too. Oh. Here's an old map, painting of an old map of Florence. You see the notable locations. It's really pretty. Oh man, it's one of those. Dude, that is tiring. You see his hand moving very slightly though, right? I have no idea why there's all these statues. Like walking across very nice archways to, I don't know where this is actually, I'm very confused. Wait, alright, the world famous, where there's a huge line in back of me. Let's look at that line.
It's even worse than in New York.
Yeah, I know, it's 100 times worse than New
There's
York.
multiple of them.
There's like a dozen freaking stores of these just for the sandwich. There's a reason why they expanded to New York. Jesus Christ.
Should we get one?
No, we're not waiting online for like 2 hours for like a sandwich we could get in New York for like in less than 10 minutes. But yeah, that was pretty crazy. Alright, we're at, I think the last basilica that we're gonna visit in Florence. Or the last one I see on the map. Yeah. Lisa says this reminds her of the basilica in Florence. No, not Florence. Siena. She said, yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, it looks very similar. We'll look back at the video and see if it is. But this place is also closed because it's Sunday, so we'll only be able to take a look at the outside. The front is very pretty though. Not sure about the sides. On top of the steps of the basilica. And there's a plaza in front of it. Yeah, catch what? Alright, we made it to the river. This is the river, I forgot which river this is. It's a river for Florence. It's also green, like the river in Rome. We might climb up there, as you see. Let me zoom in. Let's see if those places are open. There's gotta be some place, garden that's open. And hopefully we'll make it in time. Alright, we're actually in the middle of the bridge now. Not as beautiful as the actual seeing the bridge, but this is good. Alright, we're at another Landmark. I don't know what this place is for. Might be another
Can we
museum.
just stay on this side? We're in the middle of it, actually.
Yeah. Let's see if we get entry. I'll just take a quick look. If not, we'll move on to the next place. Alright, we're in the Pitti Express.
Let me see. Pitti Express.
Pitti. Yeah. We're about to eat. I'll take the first bite. It's on you. I ordered
I put in Pitti Express. I was like,
Panino Inferno with Granderio. Here, go take it for a bite. Come on, come on. We're wasting video. Oh, thank you. And this is the lasagna Greek. Alright, taking a bite of the sandwich.
oh wow, it's very spicy.
Oh well, maybe the thing the wrong way.
So we're having the Inferno. And there was like a little piece here, and I just took a little bite, and I was like, wow.
Oh my god. Oh, okay. Good stuff. Well, that should be smaller than that. Oh, you keep stunning or whatever. That's good. Oh yeah, we got cheese. You guys out seeing this?
So which
It's a game. We're in Florence. Probably like a okay landmark, but it was a long way, so we thought like might as well take a look. And we have a lot of time. Alright, we're also got the tiramisu of this place. Wow, don't look at them. Look at this. Tiramisu. Alright, Lisa, eat it.
I love tiramisu. It's just something that they always have.
Alright, let me. Oh, thank you.
It tastes like creaminess.
It's not too sweet. I like that. That's really good. It's like just enough. Yeah, it's not just enough. Alright. We're enjoying our food now.
Okay, so recycling here is with a bunch of garbage cans. The green one's actually for glass. Plastic bottles actually come into this blue one. And when you recycle this, you actually have to twist off the top and the bottle. And now we have to step on this. Ready? Step back. Ta-da!
Alright.
Can we go over the bridge? Over the...
I don't think so. That's like the road. Or not. We can, but like, we're not gonna get a good shot because we have to go all the way back there. Alright, this is one of the gates of like, to Florence, or was to Florence, was a gate that guarded Florence. We just took a walk here just to take a look. You can see why tourists don't come here. It's not anything special.
Well, I think the door is special, but you have to admire doors like me.
Yeah. There's artwork on top of the arch. Like,
it has faded a bit, but imagine, is this like one of the outskirts?
well, this is the gate. I think this is like the.
So
you know, you
outside
remember
of
that?
this gate is like technically belongs to like they belong within the city.
Yeah. Well,
We should walk a little forward and see what's up. What happened?
What do you mean? What happened?
We just see like we see some small monuments and we're just like, what is this?
All right, we are
At the wrong bridge.
at the
but
wrong
it
bridge.
doesn't matter. We just like going to bridges.
Yeah, no, we were supposed to go to the bridge right in, that you see in front of us, but we walked down the wrong street, so we overstepped. So it's gonna be another 10 minutes walk to the pig's nose. See you there. All right, we made it to the pig. We're rubbing it. I wasn't able to get in snap. Alright, we're in another square area. Of a big gate. Alright, here's a church. I don't know what this one is. But apparently it looks abandoned, sadly. Well, at least some of it. The outside is closed. And it looks in a state of repair, except this part. Alright, we're at the train station for Florence. I'm not going to pronounce how it's called. Something like that.
It's kind of like raining outside, unfortunately.
Yeah, and we're tired. We're super tired, okay? This trip has been tiring. I'm tired.
I know we bounced around a lot during our wedding yesterday because we were all dancing.
It's not just because of that. We've been walking the entire trip. It's killing me.
And we only got 2 hours of sleep.
That too. Actually, I don't think the tiredness is the problem. It's more the feet.
Our shoulders are burdened too.
That too. Well, we'll see you on the train, hopefully. Alright, we were delayed 40 minutes, so we're gonna get to our hotel probably at midnight. And then Lisa's gonna come start complaining about, oh, I have to wake up so early, I don't have enough sleep. Alright, she's giving me this thing, I want to shut off now.
Next time on First Travel Eats, our heroes are back in Rome.
Alright, this is gonna be
Wait, let me do this.
a big one. I think we're going up to like where the balcony we saw was.
What is the big one that Andy mentioned? Will Lisa stop giving Andy the stink eye? Tune in next week to First Travel Eats to find out. Also leave a comment on which church you visited that was the most beautiful. And remember to like and subscribe.